Hello St Martin's, Mrs Brewman here. I'm going to take you on a bit of a tour of multiplication today, and you can have a go at making some times tables at home using things you can find around your house. And also we're going to have a go at making a mini book of multiplication facts to help us learn our times tables and our division facts, working towards our next Mastery of Maths card. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. Here we've got 4 lots of 7, or 7 lots of 4. We could also write this as 4 multiplied by 7 equals 28, or 7 times 4 equals 28. If I was to count all of these up together, I would have 28. Have a go at this one. What am I representing here? That's right. I've got 2 lots of 6, or 6 lots of 2. How many have I got all in total then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So you could have a go at making some arrays. Find some objects around your house. You could use coins, buttons, anything that you've got that's small, and you've got lots of bits of Lego, and you could have a go at making some arrays. Okay, so I'm going to model to you how to make a mini book. We have done these in class before, so some of you will remember. You take a piece of A4 paper and you fold it in half. So you get a nice straight crease down the middle. Then you open it up again, and this time you fold it to that middle straight crease that you've made. And the same on the other side. So what we're doing is we're trying to get 8 sections on our piece of paper. Okay, so it looks like that so far. And now I'm going to fold it this way. I'm trying to match up my corners, so it's going to be nice and square. Right, now the best thing to do is to now fold each of these folds back on themselves. I'm going to take my bangle off because it keeps banging on the table. And this way and that way. Okay, so we're getting nice crisp folds. The better you do this, the better your book will be. Okay, so now you should have a piece of paper that has 8 rectangles on it. Okay, now this is the really important bit. If you don't get this bit right, the book won't work. Fold your paper back in half. Okay, so it's like this, and you must have the fold, this bit, nearest to you. Okay, and that is where you are going to cut. And you're going to cut from here into the middle, so only across the top of one rectangle. Okay, so you've got a gap now in the middle of your paper. If you've accidentally done it the wrong way and you've cut that side, you need to make another one because it won't fold up otherwise. Okay, and now this is the clever bit. Some of you will remember this. You fold your paper back in half, you do this,
And there you go. Now you have a mini book. Don't worry if that feels a bit too ambitious. You can just make a poster. It doesn't have to be a book. You could just use a plain white piece of paper and make a poster. Okay, so have a think about things that you could draw to represent the different times tables. So here I've gone for a snail because they only have 1 foot. For the 2 times table, you could use pairs of eyes, so a face with 2 eyes. So 4 times 2, so 4 faces with 2 eyes on each would give me 2, 4, 6, 8 eyes altogether. For the 3 times table, you could have a go at drawing a tricycle or a triangle with 3 sides or a little triangle character. For the 4 times table, you could go for any sorts of animals. I've gone for a cat. When you're drawing, keep your drawing really simple because obviously you're going to have to draw lots of them, especially if you're going up to 12 lots of 4. Okay, so nice simple cat drawing you could do, or any other animal that has 4 legs. For the 5 times table, you could draw a hand. For the 6 times table, you could choose many insects. Lots of them have 6 legs. And look here, for the 7s, I've been clever. So I've gone for a snail that's got 1 leg carrying an insect that's got 6 legs. So altogether, that makes 7 legs. 8 legs on a spider. 9 legs, you could go for maybe a domino. I mean, that would work for lots of the numbers. Or here, a spider with a snail on its head this time, or a spider carrying a snail. For the 10 times table, you could go for 2 sets of hands or 2 sets of toes. And, oh, look at this, the 11 times table, somebody carrying a snail. So 10 fingers plus the snail, that makes 11. So be as creative as you can. I'm sure you can think up lots of other ideas. For example, you could do quad bikes for 4, or you could do cars for 4. I was thinking you could do a 4-fingered Kit Kat. You know, just be creative. Go with whatever you're excited by. Okay, so once you've made your little book, you need to decide which times table facts you're going to work on. So I've decided to do the 8 times table. Think about which one you are learning at the moment for your next maths card. If you've learned all your times tables up to 12 times 12, then challenge yourself to maybe do the 15 times table or the 21 times table. Push yourself to do something that's a challenge. Okay, so this is my 8 times table mini book of facts, and the creature I've gone for is a spider because it's got 8 legs, and I've divided the pages up. Each little page has got 2 times tables on, so I can fit them all in to my little book. And I've just started here. So 1 times 8, so 1 spider has 8 legs. 2 times 8, 2 spiders. If I count up the legs, I've got 16 legs altogether. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 is 40. So now I'm on to 6 times 8. So I'm going to draw my spiders. Can space them out a bit more now. So here we go. There are my 6 spiders. Give them some eyes. And I'm going to draw their legs on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So I worked out what 6 times 8 is by drawing out the spiders and counting the legs. I'm going to carry on now. Obviously, I'm not going to do that on video because you now get the idea of what you need to do.